The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored on behalf of Sprouts Farmers Market by Tips on TV. As families settle into back-to-school routines, healthy, convenient meal solutions can help everyone get back on track without sacrificing time, taste, or quality. Here to help us is registered dietitian, New York Times best-selling author and mom, Frances Largeman-Roth. Her latest cookbook is Everyday Snack Tray, and she also shares tips and healthy recipes on her Instagram page. Welcome, Frances. How are you?
I am great, Blake. Thanks for having me.
Yes, of course. Okay, let's start with this. What's the secret to creating healthy but also convenient meals?
Okay, so I have 4 kids at home, so back to school season is hectic, but I find that with a little planning and also keeping things simple, that really saves me. And in my books, Eating in Color and Everyday Snack Tray, I focus on easy ways to make nutritious food colorful, fun, and appealing, and that starts with the right ingredients. And I love shopping at Sprouts Farmers Market because I can find so many great options for easy after-school snacks and simple family dinners.
All right, so can you expand a little bit on where families should start if they're looking to have a more healthy, convenient, colorful meal?
Yes, so when things are busy, convenience really is going to just get you through that time. And so I love shopping at Sprouts because they weave convenience into the whole shopping experience. I love their fresh and organic seasonal produce like organic gold kiwi, on-the-vine tomatoes, cucumbers, and summer squash mix. And my kids especially love the peachy blue blueberries with their white peach flavor. And for little to no prep, I'll grab a Sprouts family meal or organic roasted chicken, and it makes those weeknight dinners really come together.
Wow, you're making me hungry, and we're only in the morning, so this is a lot to comprehend right now. Outside of maybe what you just said, what specific items should family include in their meals or their shopping order?
Yeah, well, I like variety during the week because it really kind of breaks up the monotony, and I like to build meals around fresh seasonal produce, and then I add a quality protein to the mix. And Sprouts has some delicious, easy-to-cook options like the citrus herb salmon meal with bright citrus flavor or the savory garlic lemon chicken meal. And as a mom, I am loving their new viral family meals. You get 2 proteins and 2 sides, which gives you 4 servings, and it's all under $30. And you just order it 48 hours in advance through their app or at sprouts.com, and then you pick it up at the deli counter. I mean, we're talking dinner is done. You can check that off your list.
Yeah, it sounds like to me convenient and affordable, which are the things I'm always looking for. Now, everybody loves a snack. Who doesn't? And of course, the kids are always looking for that good after-school snack that the parent's going to have for them ready when they get home. So any suggestions for after-school snacks?
Yeah, well, Blake, I am all about making a snack tray. I wrote a whole book about it. But of course, you need to have the options on hand to put that snack tray together. And Sprouts has so many options. So, start with the colorful fruits and veggies, add things like string cheese, PB&J dippers, organic trail mix, or a deli snacker, and even my picky eater loves the new mochi puffs for a fun crunch. They also have wonderful ready-to-go smoothies. So put it all on a tray or in a bento box, and then when the kids come home, it's ready for them, it's colorful, it's inviting, and they love it.
Yeah, I love a bento box. I think it's very convenient and every kid should have one. Now, I feel like with meals and dinner specifically, it just gets a little monotonous in the kitchen, right? We tend to default to the things that we always make and that are easy for us. So always looking for something new. Do you have a favorite recipe that you can share with our viewers?
Yes, well, we have a lot here, right? But I do love to start with an organic roasted chicken from Sprouts every week, because then I can get creative with the other stuff around it, right? I already have the protein done, and I love this to make this sesame ginger chicken salad, and then you can also make creamy enchiladas, and that's super great for fall. And then with the leftovers from the chicken, you can do other fun things like make tortilla chicken soup or a grain salad, or pair it with Sprouts organic sourdough bread. So, add variety, add the color, and you're gonna come up with some delicious, healthy meals for the whole week.
Yeah, it sounds like a great option that you can do a lot with, which is what we're always looking for. So let's end with this. Where can viewers go for more information for all the amazing things that we've discussed?
They can go to their local Sprouts Farmers Market or to sprouts.com.
All right, easy enough. People got to go check it out at Sprouts. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored on behalf of Sprouts Farmers Market by Tips on TV.